It's time for fourth meal. Let's make a Crunchwrap Supreme. You'll need this Taco Bell seasoning packet. It makes taco meat for tacos, burritos, chalupas, and even Crunchwraps. You can get it in most grocery stores. Pretty cool, huh? In a large pot, add your ground beef. Cook it until it's brown and cooked through. If it's really fatty at this point, you can drain it. You can leave in a little fat though, especially if you want that authentic, greasy Crunchwrap taste. There's plenty of good fond at the bottom of the pan. We're going to loosen it up with just a little bit of water. Then, you can add your taco seasoning. Stir it in and set it aside. Here's what else you'll need. Start with a warmed up tortilla. It makes it pliable. Sprinkle on your lettuce and tomatoes. Top it with your corn chips or tostadas. I'm using smaller tortillas, so I'm breaking them up so they'll fit. If you use bigger tortillas, you might not have to do this. Now, you can spread on some nacho cheese and some sour cream. Finally, top it off with a few spoonfuls of taco meat. Alright, now fold the edges of the Crunchwrap towards the center. It's pretty easy. If there's a little peeking out, that's totally fine. Heat up a nonstick pan and spray with some no-stick spray. Place your Crunchwrap, fold side down, and cook on medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Turn it and cook it for another minute or two. Let it cool a second, and then it's ready to eat. I like slicing it in half to peer at all the pretty layers. Ooh. All I need now is some Baja Blast. Anyone got any fire sauce? Yummy. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more fast food treats, check out this cool Dairy Queen Treatza recipe. If there's a fast food recipe you'd like to see me make, let me know in the comments. I might just get to it. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a recipe. Thanks for watching.